Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, The Crafting Chemist. Today we are going to look at how to do the long double crochet 2 rows down. I'm using here a contrasting color just to make this a little bit more visible. And so as you can see there, that is my current row, and I've got my previous row of double crochet here. And so at this gap is where I'm going to do that long tail, or long double crochet. And so I'm going to yarn over. I'm going to skip this row and I'm going to go into my stitch here in the next row down, yarn over to pull that through, and basically you want to pull it up to make it about even or slightly shorter. You're going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and that is your long double crochet. Just to show that again, let me move to my next gap. I am going to yarn over, skip this row, go into those top loops in the next row down, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. And so that is how you do this stitch. I hope that was helpful. Please let me know in the comments if you still have questions, and please like and subscribe to see more of my videos. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye.